Hi guys. It's giving me some flower thingies. I don't know why. Oh, there we go. Hello. Hey Sarah. So I'm unboxing something very cool. I'm back, by the way, from my trip to Greece. Had a lot of things going on since then, so I've been busy. But finally, enjoying this long weekend, and today I received something cool in the mail. So I finally took the plunge and went for Mitt's expensive but so worth it stationery selection subscription box. Because I figured since I'm not in Asia as frequently as I used to be before, I really don't get the opportunity to, try out new stuff from Japan. So Mitt's selection would definitely be the way to go. And you don't have to spring for the expensive markups on Kinokuniya. Alright, I'm so excited. I had no idea what to expect. Usually her stuff includes new pen tools, sometimes notebooks, just little stationery gimmicks. So, hey Diane. So I'm just gonna, let's see what's in it. This is the May kit, by the way, the May subscription box, stationery selection. Yeah. Wenju Fangxiang stationery selection. Oh yeah, look.
What?
It's the May 2019 stationery box. Whoa. Okay, so it includes the Kokuyo pen case, a aluminum ruler, ooh, circle washi stickers, Midori paper pad, uni style fit 3-pen barrel. I think I have those. That's cool. Okay, let's see. Stationery selection. I read it. I'm sorry. I didn't see your comment. Okay. Whoa. Okay. First of all, love this card. Definitely going to my hopes, which I'm going to be working on. And this, yes, this gray color is beautiful. I've always wanted one of the Kyoko pen boxes because they stand upright once you open them. Oh, I think you can even open it further. Yes, this is so pretty. This is the Kokyo pencil box, pen case. And it's I think this one is known for it's kind of slim body, so it's called the flat. I see teasers of this washi tape and I thought it was so cute. This little it's kind of like those I forgot what that brand is, but the washi tape that comes with stickers in individual pieces. Denim. Oh yeah, this definitely feels like denim. Konnichiwa. And I love all these guys, little characters. It is so Japanese. It's got the tea, the snacks, and let's see what else. Ooh, a little thin ruler for your everyday pen case, pencil box. Love that's in centimeters, which is probably not too useful in the States, but I like it. Yes, Band-Aid. That's the brand I was thinking about. Ooh, this is cool. This is Midori brand to-do memo. This is perfect. Oh yeah, I definitely need this too. Kind of makes sense of my recent chores. It's like a little pad. I'm gonna keep it right on my table. And what is this? Oh, I think this is the eraser and the refill. Yes. So, obviously, Tombow brand known for their eraser products, but this is definitely something new I've never seen before. It's really thin, and you can erase it. Very small details with the sharp edges like this, and you can I think you keep rolling to like push it out. Okay, and I think this last one is the pen. I am aware and love using the Uni Style Fit pen, so I guess I'm just gonna look forward to what color barrel that I get in this box. Ooh. The standard. Oh, I like that she chose orange, black, and the pencil. And the pencil is gonna work well with this demonstration of the eraser. I'm gonna actually put this in now, and then maybe I'll start using it. So I think this is like the orange color. This gives me a pen addict vibe, by the way. So let's put these in action. I have a Uni Style Fit, but I haven't used one in a while. So this is a good time to really get back to it. Whenever I go back to Taiwan, this is like the only thing that I stock up on. But now I don't write a lot since I'm not in school, so I don't really use this too much. But I like that it has like the mechanical pencil part, so I can actually use the eraser with it. Okay, let me just peel the thing out. Just trying to aim it right. Okay. I think they're all in. Oops, no. Let me redo it. I didn't really push them in. There we go. Okay. Black, brown, and pencil. Nice. Let me see if I could find mine actually. I actually, now that I think of it, I am not using that pen as frequently as I should. I've mostly switched to the Coleto because I have so many of its refill. The Uni refill is usually much more expensive than the Coleto one, but I forgot how much I love using this. So this one comes with the pencil, the black, the orange, and the mechanical pencil, which would be interesting to try. Well, and the cool thing with these in Taiwan, at least with the Uni brand in Taiwan, is if you send these like empty cases to the brand itself, like to Uni Taiwan, it gives you like an opportunity to enter like a lottery to win more Mitsubishi Uni products. And I've won like a set of pens before just by sending these in, so it's pretty awesome. But here I don't have any use for them. I might just throw it away. But wow, what a cool box. I love it. I'm going to save this and share it on YouTube. And I hope you guys look forward to yours too. Thank you. Bye.